looking at more bit of evidence. We'll see if we can cut across to Shweta also, who's joining us, and she continues to get us more details along with Arunil. But the police obviously wanting to connect the dots, find out the motive and whether there is a larger conspiracy here behind what has happened so far. Shweta, if you can hear me, what more do we know about the investigation? Now, there is this license that the police has been able to access. What more does it tell us?
Well, that's correct. In fact, significant development taking place as far as Saif Ali Khan's stabbing case is concerned. And now in the line of investigation, Mumbai police has accessed the driving license of the alleged accused, Mohammad Shariful Islam Shehzad. In fact, we are present outside Bandra station and near to the DCP Zone 9. What we also understand here is that in the line of questioning, important questions were being asked. And this is to do with how and what led to the alleged accused to attack Saif Ali Khan, and did he carry the weapons along with him? How did he manage to escape out when he was locked inside the room? These are some of the crucial questions. But meanwhile, we understand that with this, the evidence which are collected are important in nature. In fact, substantial evidence that has been collected by Mumbai police. First and foremost is the 3 broken parts of the knife. In fact, first was locked in the body of Saif Ali Khan, that was recovered. Later, the other half-broken part was recovered with the alleged accused. The third was latestly recovered near Bandra, just 1.5 kilometers away from the residence of Saif Ali Khan near Bandra Lake, which leads towards Bandra railway station. As per the CCTV grab, it was clearly seen how the alleged accused is seen discarding the third part, that's the handle of the knife. Apart from this, it's also important to understand that the worn shirt during the time of crime, that is blood-stained shirt, has also been recovered. And in the line of investigation, we understand that now the driving license of the accused has been accessed and further investigation is underway. Now remember, when it comes to his whereabouts in Bangladesh, what was he doing, what was his livelihood, his earning points, these are some of the questions that Mumbai police is probing to understand that what made him to come to India illegally and what was his source of income being in India, and how many places has he worked, and was there any real plan to go to Bangladesh again? Because very importantly, even Mumbai police has come to know that he was constantly in touch with his father and siblings. In fact, he was in touch with his family every time. It was just latestly what happened after the stabbing saga. He was not in connection with his parents and in fact his family in Bangladesh. But before that, he used to make a call in Bangladesh. So clearly now too many clues together. Mumbai police is trying to assess the fact that what led him actually to choose Saif Ali Khan's residence only, and more important questions. Importantly, we also see that tomorrow is the time when the alleged accused custody, in fact, is getting over. The police custody, which was remanded by the court for 5 days, it is getting over tomorrow. It is way possible again that Mumbai police is going to seek his 7 days more custody, probably because they have to understand the entire scenario. How did it actually take place? But yes, before tomorrow, we are seeing that today is being a crucial day where the interrogation with the accused is underway.
All right.